What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved my go-to makeup look. This is a super simple look. It is on the softer side, very neutral, but definitely glam, full glam. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then definitely keep watching. So I'm just going to take a little bit of primer and rub this into the skin. This is the Professional Mattifying Primer. Now for foundation, I'm going to be mixing some of the Juvia's Place foundation in the color Ethiopia. For me personally, this is a good everyday shade, but if I'm gonna go like full throttle, I wanna be like snatched and beat, I find that I have to mix it with something else. So now I'm going to highlight using my favorite concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So before I start to blend this out, I'm going to go ahead and cream contour. And in my case, this is liquid contour because this is not a cream product, but I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 375. And I just use whatever random deep shade that I have. So this works for me. So now taking a damp beauty blender, I'm going to start blending out my highlight. And now I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape again and add just a little bit more. Now I'm just taking my beauty blender and just pressing everything in, because now I am ready to start applying my powder products. Going in with my Huda Beauty powder, and I'm going to go right underneath the eyes. This is the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to go into the shade here. Right now I'm going back in with my foundation brush. Again, no added product or anything like that, but I am just helping to blend out any harsh lines and get rid of that excess powder. So I'm taking these two shades and blending them into my crease to help bring some depth there, and sweeping it up to help diffuse it and blend it out. And I'm making sure that I'm also connecting it to my contour on my nose. Here I'm just trying to lighten my lid just a hair, not too much. Now I'll take my Milani eyeliner here, and this is linked on black, and I'm going to apply it in my waterline, top and bottom. I'm going to add some blush here, and I'm going into the box of crayons case. I'm going to take the magenta shade and mix it with orange to give me a shimmery blush. So if you made it this far in the video, that means that I'm not boring you, so you know what you need to do. Come on, follow your girl. Like, go ahead and follow your girl. That means that I'm not gonna bore you. I'm gonna keep you entertained. We could become friends, okay? What's another friend, right? But you know what you gotta do first, right? Subscribe. I'm just applying a little bit of wax on my brows. So now I'm just gonna brush my brow hairs up now that I have the wax. And then once I get the shape that I want, I'm going to fill them in using this ColourPop pencil. So now that I have my lashes on, now I'm ready for lips, and this is the final step here. And this is the color Pink Really Hard. I'm really a gloss girl, so I'm going to top that with some gloss by Milani. So this is the completed look, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this. So this was a super easy look. I do this look all the time, and I just pair it with different elements just to jazz it up a little bit. So you can definitely follow this. I hope you enjoyed it. And hopefully you guys like it. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed all that is Denise and all that I have to offer, and I will be back with another video with some more cool content. Don't know what I'll do next, you know? You never know. But all you have to do is subscribe. Okay.